Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to look at the logical statements. And the easiest way to understand logical statements is to start with the most basic, and that will be the if statement. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this column, and then we're going to open up the if statement function. And basically, this set of instructions will tell you what's going to happen and what you're about to do. So for example, what we're saying here in the if statement is that if the value in this cell is a certain thing, then we want another value to be created if that's true, or a value created if this is true. If it's not that value, we want another value to be created if it's false. An example of this would be that if someone writes in a certain word, you would want them to be assigned a certain number of points. If they don't get the word, maybe you might have them deducted points. So in this case, what we could do is we can say that if the value in a certain cell is going to be equal to 10, then we want them to be assigned with the number 100 in this cell. If the value in E2 is not going to be 10, then we're going to want them to be assigned to negative 100. So right now the value in E2 is not 10, so this cell has been assigned the value of negative 100. Now let's say that we wrote into E2 and we assigned the value of 10. Well, then the value in C2 will then become 100 because that's the way we wrote our statement. If we were to change the value in E2 to 11, then that then assigns the value to negative 100 because again, that's the way we set up this test. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.